How to fix Indeed app not working. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. To resolve the issue of your Indeed app not working, press and hold on to it and go to app info. Force stop it and head to storage and cache to clear up the cache. By this way, the bug issue will be resolved. If this feature is not available for your Android or if you are using an iOS, go ahead and open up your phone setting. Scroll down and select Apps. Tap on All Apps. Tap on the search icon to search for Indeed and tap on it. Repeat the same process of force stopping it and clearing up the cache. If you are an iOS user, offload the application. While you are in your setting, scroll down until you see System Update and tap on it. Make sure that your system is up to date so that we can know it is compatible with the application version. Now, open up your Play Store or App Store. In here, you'll be checking for an update for Indeed. Search for Indeed in the search bar. Tap on the application, leave it for an update if any, or uninstall the application and reinstall it once again. This will fix minor bug issues as well. If you are connected to a VPN, make sure to disable your VPN connection. Also check for your Wi-Fi. Switch to cellular data if your Wi-Fi is acting up, or enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. And that is exactly how you can fix the Indeed app not working. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.